The newly appointed Commissioner of Police is received by his host Governor Samuel Ortom. As expected, the major threats to insecurity in the state took center stage, with special note to cultism.
The main problem that we are having now is communication. It may interest Your Excellency to know that immediately you get out of Makurdi Metropolis, police cannot communicate except with GSM. It's burning my heart deeply because my vision then, before I left, was that by the grace of God, before I leave, either the Excellency likes it or not, will have been able to, at least along Nasarawa axis, to communicate effectively. If you go to the toll gate, the old toll gate there, from the headquarters, we can't make any communication. And it's so disturbing. Also, if you are going towards the Air Force Base along Boko Road, almost the same problem. So, with time, I'll be coming to you, sir, for assistance. It's not your responsibility, I know. But if I can get the ones that are available in Abuja, I know definitely by the time I start sleeping in your bedroom, you will assist us to put it in shape. Fundamentally, the breeding ground of all crime in this state is cultism.
The issue of cultism is a big challenge, like you rightly observed. When we were in school, we never noticed this. In fact, in this part of the country, we only heard about cultism in the south. But how it came here, we don't understand. And nobody who have made it in life through cultism have ever come out to give any testimony. All that we hear about them is killings, 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 and destruction. But I don't know what is wrong with our children, with our youth. This is not the kind of youth that we look forward to get. And so, Benue State, since we came in 2015, in 2016, we enacted a law against cultism. I want to assure you that the Office of the Attorney General will support the police to ensure that we prosecute those who are culprits to this crime. And where we need to amend the law, Mr. Commissioner, I want to assure you that my House of Assembly is always ready to attend to such issues.
The Chief Executive equally shared his thoughts regarding the recent media attacks on state governors by the leadership of Miyetti Allah Katahori arising from the enactment of ranching laws by various states across the country.
I watched with dismay yesterday the uncalled for utterances of Miyetti Allah, an association confronting government. It's not just state governors that they are confronting even the federal government. But unfortunately, now the presidency will not come out to condemn or to say anything concerning what Miyetti Allah said, because they are part of them. And I asked them to come out clean on this matter. It is unfortunate. Our people are dying. I have more than 1.5 million IDPs. Our people are dying, and Miyetti Allah are coming out to claim responsibility for the killings and the pains that our people have. Then you tell me I should keep quiet. I should not talk about it. What is it? Miyetti Allah coming to say that if we don't repeal our laws, we will not know peace. And then where are the security men? Where is the federal government? Why are they not arresting them? Miyetti Allah are responsible for the banditry, for the kidnappings, for the killings that are going on in Benue State and other parts of Nigeria. And then federal government is romancing with them, providing security for the leadership. And they have the guts to come out and say that they took me to court when I enacted our law, and we defeated them. Let them go back again. They have the right to appeal. We are ready to go to Supreme Court because we are a law-abiding people. But this evil agenda that Miyetti Allah has, and is collaborating with the federal government, it is not accepted.
CP Akimbola Olatunji took over from Audu Madaki, who was posted to Zone 12, Bauchi State.